Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life Channel. I hope you're doing great, and in this video we are preparing a natural teeth whitening paste. I love using this paste because I could say that I can see some whitening results, definitely, because I don't want to whiten my teeth at the dentist because they're using harsh ingredients, chemicals, and my teeth might be sensitive and the gums as well, so I just know that. So I know that my option is to use something natural, and as you will see in the recipe that follows my talking here, it is really simple to prepare. All the ingredients I'm pretty sure you already have on hand. Let's prepare natural homemade teeth whitening paste. We can also call it a scrub powder. And the first ingredient would be baking soda. We shall need 4 tablespoons of baking soda. I always transfer my baking soda in a glass container. It's easier for me to use it this way. The reason we're having baking soda in our recipe, of course, is because it's a natural abrasive. It is crucial for neutralizing the acids in our teeth because bacteria and wastes, they create acidic environment, and that it's our tooth enamel and can cause inflamed gums. Next ingredient I'm going to use is going to be hydrogen peroxide. The reason we're using hydrogen peroxide because it whitens your teeth. It's acting as a bleaching agent. We shall also have an effect here of a very, very clean teeth. We shall need 2 tablespoons. As you can see, there is no reaction, so don't be afraid to mix this too. The next ingredient I'm going to use is going to be coconut oil. The reason I'm using coconut oil because it will give us very nice consistency for our paste. Besides, it has strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. I will need 2 tablespoons for our recipe, and we could mix it a little bit already. As you see, coconut oil will give us a great consistency. I'm also going to use a little bit of xylitol powder. The reason I'm using xylitol is because it's going to add like sweet taste to our paste. If you absolutely don't care about that, you could omit it, but xylitol is also pretty often recommended to prevent tooth decay, and you could also add it for that purpose. If you do not want to use xylitol, besides, you need to make sure that you absolutely do not ingest xylitol powder. You could use stevia. As you can see, it's a beautiful paste in here. It will be easy to use. And now I want to add the last, but absolutely not the least, 2 ingredients, which are going to be essential oils. Clove essential oil and cinnamon essential oils. I would recommend you to use either both or at least one of them because their healing properties are absolutely essential in our paste. As far as the amount, you will need to use 10 drops of cinnamon essential oil and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm also going to use the clove essential oil. The thing with the oils is that it will also prevent the inflammation. It is taking care of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Essential oils will also help you with the gums inflammation, and they have very strong antibacterial properties. So now I would love to say that our paste is ready. I normally transfer it to a glass container and you just use it with the toothbrush, but as I've mentioned earlier in this video, don't try to use a very firm toothbrush because it's not really healthy for your gums. And also I will definitely share with you the recipe for a natural toothpaste. So as I said, transfer it to the container with the lid, and as far as the amount of times you can use it, you could use it daily until you reach the desired effect. If you feel that your teeth become, sensitive, to reduce the amount of time you're using it to, let's say, 2 to 3 times per week. I would still encourage you to use the essential oils I have there for their healing and antibacterial properties, and besides, watch my video about coconut oil and dental health. And also a little tip, you could use hydrogen peroxide just as the mouthwash. You could use it, I usually dilute it with water a little bit. And there's a little word of caution here. This paste is designed for you just to use it, for your beautiful smile, and don't ingest it. I also need to add here that every time you're making something, DIY, consistency is the key. You won't really see the results overnight, although some people do, because our teeth are different. And my sister, she has education on this, dental area, and what she told me, it's actually very interesting news, is that the more yellow color of your teeth enamel you have, it means that your enamel is actually stronger than the white one, which again means if you are a fan of whitening professionally your teeth and you're not taking a proper care of them afterwards, you might really be on the path when your enamel is not that strong as it used to be. I'm not saying you have to go with yellow teeth, right? But I'm just saying that don't be so crazy about it, and try to use natural products every time you can. That includes natural toothpaste, and don't go crazy on the firm toothbrushes, because that's also really bad, and the dentist told me that, because you might again make your teeth more sensitive, and just a medium or even soft toothbrush will still do a perfect job for your teeth. I hope you guys like this video. Check out my channel for more great DIY recipes. Share your own ones, and if you have any questions, just let me know. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to enjoy every single day of your life. Love yourself. Stay positive. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button next to the subscription button so you could get the notifications every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you later.